Welcome to the second unit of your very beginning Spanish course at Edutin Academy. In this unit, you will learn to say your name and nationality. Being able to state your name and nationality in Spanish is fundamental for communication. Expressing personal identity helps establish connection and engage in basic conversations. Mastering these introductions enhances your language proficiency, making interactions more meaningful and culturally aware. That's why I will help you master the skill of introducing yourself, developing the following learning objectives. Use personal pronouns. Conjugate the verb ser and estar. Learn countries and nationalities. To ensure that you achieve these objectives, we have prepared a series of videos where you can see real examples of how to use Spanish in everyday situations. Based on these examples, I will guide you step by step in the construction of grammatical structures and the use of vocabulary. Then you can apply your knowledge in an interactive activity at the end of the lesson. Upon completing this unit, you will apply your new knowledge in recording a video telling your name and nationality to your learning community. Estoy segura de que harás un gran trabajo.
¿Te ha gustado este video? Te invito a continuar tu aprendizaje ingresando a edutin.com, donde encontrarás más de 6,000 cursos gratis y con certificado. Además, podrás interactuar con personas de todo el mundo. Ingresa ahora o descarga nuestra aplicación móvil.